Could you imagine bringing this vehicle home brand new from the dealer, $70,000 Dodge Ram, and this happens? Probably not. Probably can't fathom this, but this is actually some fifth wheel damage that did happen the day the customer brought it home. Very unfortunate. Good news is that this right bedside has literally zero paint damage, just a couple scuffs in the middle of those deep body line dents that you saw there. Left bedside didn't fare so well. This is where the edge of whatever they were hauling kind of came into the bed rail there, just completely crushing it. So we had to kind of basically get in there and reverse the damage, just using some ratchet straps here, just kind of relieving the stress. Kind of an old-fashioned body shop technique that we use here. But I did have a little paint damage under there, but we went ahead and just primed the area after we were done doing the metal work. And don't mind me here, I did not have my safety glasses, so I had to squint really hard, as you saw there. But this thing came out amazing. The customer was so pleased to know that they didn't have to do any paint work on this brand new Dodge Ram dually. And this is a blending hammer we're using here. Comes in real handy for fine tuning. As you can see, there is not a trace of where this damage was. This is roughly about a good solid, I'd say maybe about 8-hour repair for me. I did this at the customer's home while he waited, and we replaced the bed rail cap there. That was original OEM part. It came out amazing though. Never know anything happened to this vehicle. He's just really pleased. Didn't have to do any paint work on a brand new vehicle like this. No body work. And this thing is ready to go. So if you have any questions about paintless dent repair, feel free to give me a call at 386-216-5185. Or you can go on to cfldentrepair.com. There's a plethora of different videos you can watch. And yeah, this is the final outcome on this repair. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something new. The value that paintless dent repair brings to the consumer is huge. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.